Can you just show us what you're wearing really quick? Why do you have those on?
For swimming. I was explaining to you how back in the day when I was growing up and we started playing football back in the day, crop tops used to be a thing of the male athletes.
Back up. Let's see it. Turn around. Wow.
Isn't it right?
Do we cut your shirt, Peter?
Come on, Peter, get it to hugs.
We're recording.
Okay, what's up? Hey, hi guys. I've got my lifters on for proper form. Watch me squat. You want to split the room, as my coach Anna taught me. Splitting the room. I'll lift your butt on the way up.
Let's see what you got, Jem. Jem's a master. Whoa, yeah. He's my little monkey friend. All right, I'm gonna show you my version of your movement.
Okay, let's see. That was a good one.
That's all I've got.
With Anna. We're gonna
Part
get
with
drunk.
Anna, but Anna, we want to ask if it's okay to drink while you're like this fitness and stuff.
You can if you want to.
But would that interfere in this
Six pack.
this whole thing right here?
It could. Renee's a lost cause. Should I tell Lewis what you said to me? What? Yanni said that being the fittest at the gym is taking a toll on his body.
I said strongest.
That's what he said?
Strongest.
How do you feel about that, Lewis?
That's false. That's a false statement.
What, like this? And then just for watching, guys. Subscribe, like,
No. Get your dirty hand out of
hit
here.
the bell, hit the bell.
Can you just say,
Don't film it, don't film.
Why? Yeah, it is a good job. You did a great job on my window.
Feel weird.
Aww. What's our handshake? Hold on, I gotta try and do this with one hand.